In this video, I'm going to show you how to make stuffed portobello mushrooms. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 to 6 portobello mushrooms depending on the size, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 red bell peppers, 1 tomato, some chives, and 1 garlic clove. The first thing you need to do is, using a spoon, remove the stem and the gills from the underside of the mushrooms. Now line your baking pan with aluminum foil and spray with nonstick cooking spray, and place your mushrooms top side up. Place in an oven that has the broiler preheated and cook for 5 minutes. While the mushrooms are cooking, we're going to prep the other ingredients. First thing we're going to do is dice the red bell pepper. And mince your garlic clove. Now heat the oil in a skillet on medium-high heat and sauté your peppers and garlic. While your mushrooms and your peppers are cooking, it's time to chop up the tomato. And cut your chives. You're going to need about 2 tablespoons of fresh chives. And last but not least, grate the cheese. It's always better to use fresh grated cheese than the back stuff. Now, using a large bowl, combine the cheese, the breadcrumbs, tomato, bell peppers, garlic, and chives together. Now combine the salt with the pepper. Remove the mushrooms from the oven, flip them over, and sprinkle each one with the salt and pepper mixture. Now load the mushrooms up with the stuffing mixture. Place the mushrooms back in the oven and cook for an additional 5 minutes. And there you have it, a great delicious side. If you do try to make these, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.